Hey guys, it's me, Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. back with another ceiling fan video. Today we're going to be testing my Harbor Breeze Fair ISOL. It's got the 5 blades with the woven basket motor housing. Blades switch from this to that. And yeah, this is a recreation of a childhood fan. One of these was in my mom's friend's house, and it had absolutely no set screws, and one of the bulbs was burnt out. So this is a recreation. Here it is. It used to be like this at one time. Or this, I can't remember. I don't know. There was either 1 or 2 light bulbs missing, I forgot. Well, let's start with low. I do have the canopy and basket, woven basket set screw cover in the house. I just didn't put it on. I got this for 25 bucks at Habitat, and yes, it's a little scratched there. That's not a crack, I don't think. There's no glass hanging out or whatever. But this one wobbles exactly like the old one that I remember used to. Except it was a lot worse because the blades were bent up. But I know it would do that. Low with the light on. Medium. I don't know why mine does the shaky switch housing. It's kind of weird. But this is exactly how the old one wobbled. It didn't sound this way, but it wobbled this way. Just a lot worse. Then high. The other one was too dangerous to run on high, but this does a slightly good resemblance of what the wobble looked like, except much more severe. Yeah. High with the light on. And I'll set it to what it used to look like all the time. Used to always be on low with the light on. Ugh, shoot. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know why mine has a bouncy switch housing. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very glad to have this fan. It's been a real treat. Also like to thank you guys for 347 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. out. Goodbye.